Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through recovery mode. Now, before we get started, I'm going to quickly mention a couple of things that might be important to some people. So this will help you get rid of a screen lock, but in turns it will, well, for the most part, lock the device, and it's what's called an FRP lock. That's what's basically going to happen. And to explain what that is, once the reset is finished and you're going through the setup process, you'll be forced to verify one of the two things: either your previously used screen lock, which, assuming you're doing this because you don't know it, that only leaves you with Google account. So whatever Google account is signed in on here, so if we go into accounts and sync, whatever you have right here, that will be later on what you need to provide to finish up the setup and gain access to the device. Otherwise you will be stuck in the setup screen and won't be able to progress any further. Now, with that being said, there will be a method, or there is a method, which I'll be recording later on just simply bypassing this verification method without needing to provide anything. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned, that's going to be in the next video. Now, jumping back to this specific one, let's just lock the device. I'm going to progress from the lock screen as though I don't know my lock. And number one, we will need to turn off our phone. So I think it's power key and volume up. Yep, there we go. Press power button, and once the phone turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up again. When you see the Mi logo, let go of the power key, keep holding volume up, and this will take us to the recovery mode. Now in here you will need to use volume keys to navigate through the options. So using volume down, I'm going to scroll down to select wipe data, and then using power key I will confirm the selected option. From there you want to select wipe all data, same way as before, and confirm. And as you can see, it already gives us data wipe successfully. So we're going to press power key, power key, power key, and it's going to now reboot the device and continue the process in the background. Now, it took us almost no time in this menu when it was formatting data, because this wasn't necessarily the entire process. It's now continuing the rest of the process in the background. Now the device, because of that, will be turning on a little bit longer than you might be used to, so don't worry, that's completely normal. So I'm gonna let it run through on my end and come back once I am presented with Android setup screen. So see you then. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. Now, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, for me, this device will be locked, so I will need to verify one of the two screen locks or accounts. But I'll be showing you in the next video on how you can bypass this if that is something that you are interested in. So yeah, that's going to be literally the next video. So see you in that video if you're interested. Now, with this one, we're basically finished. Assuming your device isn't locked, you can just go to the setup if you want to, and that's it. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.